Hey, photography fanatics and gearheads, welcome back to the channel. If you live and breathe photography, if you're constantly chasing that perfect shot, or if you just love staying ahead of the tech curve, then you, my friend, are in the right place. As we power into 2025, the camera world is absolutely exploding with innovation. Today, we're not just listing cameras, we're diving deep into the absolute game changers, the top 5 best cameras for photography that you seriously need to know about. Get ready to drool, because these machines are incredible. From budget-friendly beasts to ultimate professional powerhouses, we've got something for everyone. And trust me, our #1 pick, it's going to redefine what's possible. So grab a coffee, hit that like button right now, and let's count them down, starting with an absolute gem at number 5. Kicking off our incredible lineup at number 5 is the Canon EOS R8. Now, don't let its position fool you. This camera is an absolute powerhouse, especially for its price point, making it arguably the smartest, most accessible entry into Canon's superb full-frame mirrorless system. We're talking a superb 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor that delivers images with Canon's renowned gorgeous color science, natural skin tones, and impressive dynamic range, allowing you to pull detail from both shadows and highlights. It handles low light like a champ, with a native ISO range up to 102,400, letting you capture stunning detail even when the sun goes down and ambient light is scarce, with surprisingly clean files. But here's the real kicker. What truly sets it apart, its professional-grade autofocus system. The R8 inherits much of its subject detection and tracking prowess from Canon's much more expensive professional bodies like the R6 Mark II. That means lightning-fast, incredibly sticky dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with 6,518 selectable points for everything from precise eye tracking in portraits to locking onto fast-moving subjects like athletes or pets with uncanny accuracy. And for all you hybrid shooters out there, it delivers uncropped 4K video at up to 60p, leveraging the full sensor width, complete with 10-bit HDR-PQ or Canon Log 3 for advanced grading, making it incredibly versatile for both stunning stills and professional-looking video productions. If you're looking for that perfect blend of full-frame performance, stunning image quality, and excellent value that truly punches above its weight, the R8 should be at the very top of your list. All right, sliding into the number 4 spot is a camera that truly redefined the term hybrid workhorse and continues to dominate, the Sony A7 IV. Now, while it might have been around for a little while, its capabilities in 2025 are still incredibly relevant and frankly unmatched by many newer cameras at its price point. At its heart is a newly developed 33 megapixel full-frame XMR CMOS sensor that strikes an absolutely perfect balance between high resolution for detailed crops and incredible low-light performance, boasting 15 stops of dynamic range. You get enough pixels for detailed prints or aggressive post-production without the massive file sizes or noise issues often associated with ultra-high-resolution sensors. Sony's legendary real-time tracking autofocus is on full display here, and once it locks onto a subject using its 759 phase detection points and AI-based recognition, it simply does not let go, whether it's an animal, a person, or a fast-moving object in challenging conditions. Seriously, it's mind-bogglingly good and highly reliable. And critically, Sony listened to its users. The A7 IV features significantly improved ergonomics with a deeper grip, a much more intuitive user-friendly menu system, and that beautiful fully articulating touchscreen that makes shooting from any high or low angle a breeze. For videographers, it offers sharp 4K 60p recording with a slight Super 35 crop and advanced color science, including the highly sought-after S-Cinetone profile, giving your footage that professional cinematic look straight out of the camera with minimal grading needed. It's a camera that simply excels at everything you throw at it. A true jack of all trades, master of most. If you need a camera that can do everything exceptionally well, the A7 IV is still king. Coming in at number 3 is a camera that doesn't just capture photos, it captures entire worlds in breathtaking, almost unbelievable detail, the Sony A7R V. If you're a pixel peeper, a landscape architect, a fine art studio portraitist, or anyone who demands the absolute highest resolution and fidelity from their images, this camera is your ultimate dream machine. We're talking an astounding 61-megapixel full-frame Exmor-R CMOS sensor. That's enough resolution to print billboards, create massive gallery prints, or aggressively crop into your images without losing a single bit of precious detail. But this isn't just about megapixels. Sony has pushed the boundaries of technology here by incorporating a dedicated AI processing unit. This means its autofocus system isn't just fast, it's genuinely intelligent and predictive. It can identify and track a wider array of subjects: humans, animals, birds, insects, cars, trains, planes, with an uncanny level of accuracy and predictive power, recognizing body poses and even individual elements like a car's helmet. This results in incredibly reliable focus, even in chaotic scenes. And let's talk about that screen. The A7R V features a revolutionary 4-axis multi-angle LCD that offers unparalleled flexibility for shooting from literally any angle imaginable, a true game changer for creative compositions and difficult shots. Combine all this with advanced 8K 24p video capabilities, and you have a camera that's pushing the very limits of what's possible. If you want to experience truly mind-blowing image quality and cutting-edge intelligent autofocus, the A7R V is in a league of its own.
All right, we're down to the wire. Our runner-up at a very strong number 2 is an absolute beast of a camera built for speed, reliability, and uncompromising image quality. The Nikon Z8. Often referred to as the Mini Z9, this camera packs the heart and soul of Nikon's flagship professional body into a significantly more compact and slightly more affordable package. This, folks, is pure performance for the most demanding creators. Inside, you'll find a phenomenal 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. What does stacked mean for you? It means incredibly fast readout speeds, virtually eliminating rolling shutter in both photos and internal 8K video. So no more wobbly backgrounds or distorted elements in your fast action shots, just clean, crisp frames. Its autofocus system is cutting edge, utilizing advanced deep learning technology to not just track, but predict the movement of a vast array of subjects: humans, animals, birds, planes, cars, and more, with incredible precision, even in challenging lighting conditions down to -9 EV. For sports photographers, wildlife enthusiasts, and serious videographers, the Z8 offers insane continuous shooting speeds up to 20 FPS in RAW or an astonishing 120 FPS in JPEG with a huge buffer. And it doesn't stop there. Internal 8K 60p and RAW or ProRes 422HQ video recording makes it an incredibly versatile and robust tool that can handle anything you throw at it, even in the most demanding professional conditions, thanks to its durable, weather-sealed magnesium alloy build. If you're looking for that top-tier pro performance, uncompromised speed, and bulletproof reliability without the Z9's integrated grip, the Z8 is simply untouchable. Taking the undisputed crown as our #1 best camera for photography in 2025 is the revolutionary Canon EOS R5 Mark II. That's right, the R5 Mark II packs an upgraded high-resolution 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, pushing the boundaries of image quality even further with enhanced low-light performance that significantly reduces noise and even greater dynamic range that makes your photos pop with incredible depth and realism. The autofocus system has received significant next-generation AI-driven upgrades, making its subject tracking and overall speed even more instantaneous and reliable. Think even better and stickier than what we've seen on the groundbreaking R5 and the blazing fast R3, capable of locking on to even the most elusive subjects. And yes, it brings back the highly anticipated and incredibly intuitive Canon Eye Control autofocus, allowing you to select your focus point simply by looking at it. Imagine the speed and precision, your camera literally focusing where your eyes lead, making every shot feel instinctual.
And for all you filmmakers and content creators, prepare for internal 8K 60p RAW recording with vastly improved heat management, along with 6K 60p and 4K 120p, offering incredible flexibility for all your video needs. You'll also find next-gen codecs, vastly improved in-body image stabilization, and crucially, much better heat management to support extended high-resolution recording. The R5 Mark II is the quintessential hybrid powerhouse, the ultimate tool for demanding professionals who need the absolute best of both worlds: unparalleled stills performance and cutting-edge video capabilities, all wrapped in a robust, user-friendly body designed for intensive use. This camera isn't just an upgrade, it has already redefined what we expect from a professional mirrorless camera, setting a new benchmark for the industry. This one is truly epic. So there you have it, our definitive list of the top 5 best cameras for photography in 2025. From the incredibly versatile Canon R8 offering an amazing entry into full frame to the game-changing, highly anticipated Canon R5 Mark II, each of these cameras represents the pinnacle of photographic technology, offering unique strengths for every type of creator out there. Whether you're chasing the highest resolution, the fastest autofocus, unparalleled video capabilities, or simply the best overall value, there's a camera on this list that's designed to elevate your craft and help you capture those truly unforgettable moments. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think of our picks? Did your personal favorite make the list, or is there another camera you believe deserves a spot in 2025 that we missed? Let us know all your thoughts, predictions, and wish list features in the comments section below. I absolutely love reading them and interacting with you all. If you found this video helpful and informative, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth photography gear reviews, tutorials, and industry insights, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our next upload. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.